Assalamu alaikum, dear students. By the grace of Allah, we are going to start our second class today. Before starting our class, I will ask some question and you will answer the questions within 2 seconds. Let's start, students. What is the name of this picture? Shohid Minar or Sriti Shodho? Yes, students, Shohid Minar. What is the retirement age for government employees in Bangladesh? 59 years? 60 years? Yes, 59 years. What do you see in this picture? Movement for language or movement for women's rights? Yes, students, movement for women's rights. Yes, students, our today's topic is women's rights in Bangladesh from chapter 9, Rights of Senior Citizen and Women in Bangladesh. At first, I will ask you what is right. Do you remember what is right? We have already read it in class 6. Rights are some facilities and opportunities approved by society and state which helps the flourishing of citizens. But our today's topic is women's right. So, what is women's rights? Do you tell me what is women's rights? Yes, students, women's rights means those facilities and opportunities are approved by state for women. Some declaration on rights of women. United Nations declared Charter of Human Rights, where men and women are equal. The Constitution of Bangladesh declared specific equal rights to men and women, where try to eradicate all discrimination to the women. But what is the reality in Bangladesh? Do we know what is the reality in Bangladesh? Women compared to men are lagging behind. Do you agree with me, students? But what is the reason behind it? The main reason is we do not have a clear concept about the rights of women, and lack of culture and education. And because of some social and religious superstition, these are the main reason behind the inequality of men and women. Here some women of Bangladesh. They are the rural women in Bangladesh. Here are some working women, women as a player, and women as a political leader. They all are women of Bangladesh. Now, we will know about the position of women in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, women are still deprived of economic, social, and cultural rights. Women are victims to many types of discrimination in family and society. Parents prefer a male child over a female child. In village, girls are married off at minor age. But attitude of society toward women is changing. Girls are coming forward with boys, and our government regulations provide women an equal status with men as citizens. Do you know what are the rights of women? Rights of women. First right is to equal status to men, to participate in all spheres of activities in the national arena, to equality in the eyes of law and equal access to law, to access any recreational and refreshment facility, to access to any educational institution for admission, to equality for government service, and to be considered free of any discrimination. Now we will discuss what is the importance of women's rights. Here's the importance of women's rights in Bangladesh. Development of a country is beyond question keeping deprived of women's rights, because the half of our total population are women. Women play various roles in family, society, and the country as well. If women cannot move forward equally, advancement of society will stop. Women's rights are indispensable for welfare and development of the country as well as the world. An educated, self-sufficient and sensible lady can work both inside and outside of the home. Here is a quote. If the two wheels cannot complement each other, the car will stop. Do you know who told this statement? Do you know her? She is forerunner of women advancement, Begum Rokeya. She has compared a man and women with two wheels of a car. We know a car cannot run without any wheel. So, a society cannot run without women. Another quote. Give me a good mother, I will give you a good nation. Who told this statement? He is a French leader. His name is Napoleon Bonaparte. In this quote highlights the importance of women's rights in a country. Now we understand the importance of women's rights. Do we face any obstacle to ensure women's rights in Bangladesh? Here are some obstacles on the way to ensure women's rights in Bangladesh. Many parents still regard female child is a burden. A family does not show equal interest in educating their girls as well as boys. Women are instances of physical and mental tortures in her in-laws' house. Society does not give importance in women's opinion. Bangladesh government has taken some steps to ensure women's rights. The steps are: the Constitution of Bangladesh specifies equal rights to men and women. Government has tried to ensure women's equal access to education, service, employment and wages with men. Government has taken some steps to allay all discrimination towards the women. Education for girls up to higher secondary level is made free. Writing mother's name is compulsory with the child's name. And maternity leave has been increased. Only government can ensure the women's rights. What do you think, students? Is this statement is true? Yes or no? No, students, this statement is not true. Only government cannot ensure the women's rights. For ensuring women's rights, we all are create awareness. Let's summarize the today's topic. Today, we have know about the right, what is women's right, and rights of women. Importance of women rights, position of women in Bangladesh, obstacles on the way to ensure women rights in Bangladesh, and some steps to implement women rights in Bangladesh. I hope you all understand these all topics. Students, please read this topic in your book detail, and you will complete your task. You will already get a worksheet in web. Please solve this worksheet and send me to my email. Thank you very much, students.